Vice Ice Street. Yeah, man.
Well, if you love the lion foot and the go so sha la 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 la. Love the lion foot and the go so sha la 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 la. Love the lion foot and the go so sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la. Lion Foot TV. Are you the whole world of priest? Don't say that. Yo yo.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed, and as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health over wealth, and health is your wealth. So take care of it. Blessed Sabbath, all of my fans, all of my viewers, all of my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. You don't know your support is all appreciated. Eh? Yeah, vlog. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So, big up on yourself, you know, life is precious. Adore it, cherish it. You see what I'm saying? Yes, man. So, my viewers and subscribers, in this episode, there's a follow up because it look like something more for going on, you know. Lyrically, that more. Big up the Dr. Beenie and big up Vybz Kartel. So, I'll share that show. Big up Boom Boom. So, Kartel make a post. I want to shout out to, I don't know, one of the Lion Foot fans, you see what I'm saying? Who always alert me and inform me. So, them send me that screenshot and send me the Kartel right. So, I'm going to read it out. And clearly, the name never called, but I feel like a Beenie matter, the doctor. You see what I'm saying? Let me know what you think in the comment section. But here we are forward after the break. You see what I'm saying? Yes, man. And also, Boom Boom say Beenie man. The vlog is around the doctor. See? Boom Boom say Beenie man shame. Must have hold on him head. See? So I'm going to hear with yourself. You see? Yes, man. So, I Beenie man that sing say, no, the post. So, this is a throwback, you know. I know when Beenie man did that Boom Boom Sunday and him page Boom Boom and him sing this song. No, the post, so all them like me. I said, he said, Boom Boom, you know why me sing that song there. So, me that preach and me I say, why him say that after him sing it? Because I know one of them trademark song, hit songs, see? So, after the break, we are forward back. See? Yeah.
I bore up a boy face with the ice cream. But like bro, God, when I take this, me will circle them ends with 3 6 in it. 4 matic, no shot, 4 red shot clip. Kick off them door, Shelly don't like this. 6 in the face with the boy, where you this fool get shallow grave and no casting. Me winning. Stop with the 6, then in the verse innings. Me winning. Beat of copper and steel when me flinging. Me winning.
This is fucking cold, bruv. It's freezing. Cool front. Cool front dance. Trending. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, boy, I tell you, snow fall, you know. Hands on my freeze, I'm going to stop and get a little shelter. Vlog on the go. Right now, I'm going to link up with Brother Oscar. Video short. Yes, man, we're going to shoot the bad song, Winning. Zine? Yes, man, so you don't know my viewers and subscribers. And also, you don't know, we have a new dance right now named Cool Front. Right now, London are cool. Freeze. The whole of England are freeze. America are freeze. All over the world, the first world are freeze. So look out for the song, look the dance, I shot already. You see? Cool front, yes man. So now my viewers and subscribers, you know when Beenie man page Boom Boom and say, yo, don't mash up the business and blah blah blah. See? And look how you did come out and say Beenie man a waste man and a one king and a cartel. So when Beenie man didn't make him speech, him sing a song. No, this is no lender like me. Watch what I go on.
Boom Boom! You think me don't know the pussy all them now? Why you think me sing that Boom Boom? When the bum buckler me a Boom Boom, play dancehall music.
You Beenie man singing and him say, Boom Boom, you know why I sing that song there? Why do you think him sing that song there? Do you think Vybz Kartel is included? Beenie man sing the song and say, Boom Boom, you know why them not like Boom Boom, you know why I sing that song there, you see me? Yeah, so Let me know what you think why Beenie Man sing that song now. Who my talk? You see me? So next now after I'm seeing that, Kartel make a post. You see me I say? And this is what the post read. You see me? Yes man, what the post there? Grey beard old waste men who in the business 38. Remember you know? Grey beard old waste men. So men mean more than one. And not necessarily Beenie Man alone my talk. Zin men. Zin say he's referring to more than one male. You see me I say? But most people say Beenie Man talk. I remember the look of you what they say, what happened to some old artists? Them now bust nobody and blah blah. See? So this is what Kartel write. Well, Kartel or somebody on behalf of Kartel. You see me? Grey beard, old waste men who in the business 30 years and still want in a competition with kids. Quick question. After so many decades, where on record company they fi bust new acts? Where on club they fi promote the genre that paid you? Where on merchandise there so on can give youths contract? On worthless old dog. On worthless old dog on Lord the youths them. On worthless old dog like me. Me have some subliminary this and style it up. When me think I'll be the man in my talk. You know, Lion Foot already talk it as it is. That's what I say, but he never call Kartel, never call a name, so people can say all they want. Doesn't mean me I say me feel like a Beenie. Do you think it's Beenie is talking? Old dog like me, is it me? On the worthless old dog, you know. Lord the youths them. So basically Kartel I say, yo, we want the merchandise there, we want the building there. You see me? You know Kartel is a business minded person. When it comes to business, it's very you know what I mean? Perspective and you know and point. Kartel him have him rum, see me, and street vibes rum. Him have asylum around one at a time. Him sign youths, him give them contract. You see me and this and that and perhaps not. Well, let's know ease up now. We can go and walk. Yeah. As I say, so viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. See? Kartel easy, you know. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So. Let me know what you think about that. You see me I say? Next now, Boom Boom say, well, big up Just Chris, because Just Chris find a song, you know. Father God Alone.
Justice to the player.
I love the sound, I love the rhythm. You know what I mean? Song sounds sweet. So while the song I play, me and Boom Boom say, yo, big up the doctor. In shame, I feel hold on your head. Never rise against the voice of the streets. So lay for yourself, and I say so.
Big up Dr. Beenie Man. In shame. I feel walk on hold on your head. Never rise against the voice of the streets. Your man.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, yeah, Boom Boom say, yeah, never rise against the voice of the streets. I say Beenie Man, shame. So basically, like after Beenie Man make the speech, I'm gonna get maybe come under every scrutiny and backlash, and you hear the local youth I say some old artists now boss no youth and a one king and a Vybz Kartel. Yeah, Vybz Kartel make him post and say ray blah blah, you see me? So I don't know why I go up on the ground still. Why Beenie Man, why Boom Boom say Beenie Man shame, I must walk on the wall in bed. But you can let me know where they're on the ground, all of my fans them on the ground. Let me know why Boom Boom make that speech, you see me? Yeah. The people must say, Beenie Man, bad man, at Jamaica up on the ground. Let me know. You see what I say? Viewers and subscribers, that was just a quick update. See what I say? Big up on yourself. And Lion Foot with another vlog. I do it with no boast, no brag. You know, I deliver my vlog different from the rest. But that doesn't mean, and I would never say I'm the best. I'm out. That's another word from my mouth. Cool front. Cool front. See it? Look out for Askel. Yes, General. Man, that's not respect. Look out for Askel new video. Visuals for the song. Winning. You know we always are winning. See? Yes, man. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.